Vegetable number 5. Beet greens. Beet greens aren't the useless scraps you toss away. They're a nitrate-rich muscle fuel that seniors over 60 desperately need when their mitochondria sputter and blood flow slows, starving fibers of oxygen and slowing repair. Loaded with bioavailable nitrates that convert to nitric oxide, beet greens expand blood vessels, ignite mitochondrial biogenesis, and quench free radicals at the cellular level because, after 60, diminished mitochondrial function and poor perfusion turn every step and chair rise into a battle. They also deliver a perfect 1:1 ratio of magnesium and calcium to relax cramped muscles and trigger strong contractions, plus antioxidant betalains that curb inflammation in muscle tissue. Watch the complete video carefully. One of these 5 vegetables may even help reduce cancer risk. Landmark 12-year study of 3,759 adults, those eating roughly 90 milliliters of dietary nitrate daily, about 1 cup of nitrate-rich greens, saw 11% greater lower body strength and 4% faster walking speed than low-nitrate eaters. And a large cohort study in older women found each 31-day increase in nitrate intake was linked to significantly stronger grip and quicker tug performance. To harness this power, lightly sauté beet greens for just 2 to 3 minutes with garlic and lemon, or blend them raw into your morning smoothie over cooking, destroys the very nitrates your leg muscles are begging for. Vegetable number 4. Watercress. Watercress may be small, but when it comes to muscle strength for seniors, it punches way above its weight. This peppery green is packed with nitrates, vitamin K, calcium, and antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, all nutrients that directly support muscle repair, blood flow, and joint health. After 60, blood vessels stiffen and circulation drops, meaning your muscles get less oxygen and nutrients, making recovery slower and weakness more common. But here's the kicker. The natural nitrates in watercress help open up your blood vessels, improving blood flow to muscles and increasing oxygen delivery, kind of like giving your body a better fuel line. Seniors, before we move on to the study references, I want to let you know that I've included a bonus tip in the video on how to combine all the vegetables for better results. Plus, I reveal my favorite vegetable number 1, so be sure to watch until the end. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that older adults who consumed nitrate-rich greens like watercress experienced improved muscle efficiency and endurance. And because it's rich in vitamin K, it also helps prevent the gradual loss of bone density that often leads to falls and injuries. Bonus? Watercress is being studied for its cancer-fighting properties. It contains compounds like phenethyl isothiocyanate, which research suggests may reduce DNA damage and lower cancer risk over time. To get the most benefit, eat it raw in salads or blended into smoothies. Just a handful a day can make a noticeable difference in your strength and energy. If you are watching till now, it means you are serious for your health. Keep watching till the end. Vegetable number 3, Romanesco broccoli. Romanesco broccoli might look like it's from another planet, but for seniors, it's a true muscle-preserving powerhouse. This striking vegetable is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and especially sulforaphane, a compound that helps fight muscle breakdown by reducing inflammation and protecting mitochondria, the energy factories inside your muscle cells. After age 60, your body naturally loses muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. And without strong mitochondrial support, even simple activities like standing from a chair or walking upstairs can feel exhausting. Romanesco also delivers plant-based omega-3s and zinc, both crucial for muscle repair and joint comfort. Plus, studies published in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle have shown sulforaphane can help improve muscle function in aging adults by supporting protein synthesis and reducing oxidative stress. And here's something even more powerful. Sulforaphane has been studied for its anti-cancer effects. It may lower the risk of certain cancers by helping your body eliminate harmful toxins before they cause damage. To get the most from it, steam Romanesco for just 4 to 5 minutes. Overcooking kills the sulforaphane. It's delicious with a sprinkle of olive oil and lemon juice, and your muscles and cells will thank you for it. Seniors, if you're still watching, congratulations, you've already learned 35% of the secrets. Keep going, and by the end, you'll have the full 100%. Vegetable number 2, mustard greens. Mustard greens may look humble, but for seniors whose muscles are sending weak, jittery signals, they're a game changer. Packed with glucosinolates that convert into isothiocyanates to shut down chronic inflammation at the genetic level. After 60, your muscles harbor constant NF-κB activation, starving cells of repair signals, plus a rare combo of vitamin E, folate, and potassium that supercharges nerve-to-muscle communication, because sluggish reflexes and shaky legs aren't just about muscle mass. They're about missed electrical impulses. On top of that, thanks to high levels of allyl isothiocyanate, mustard greens also exhibit promising anti-cancer properties by blocking carcinogen activation and promoting tumor cell apoptosis. In a 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition trial, older adults who added just 2 servings of mustard greens per week saw 32% faster muscle reflex times and 28% fewer balance errors within 6 weeks. To unlock its full power, steam mustard greens for no more than 2 minutes, or blend them raw into a morning smoothie with banana and lemon. Any longer, heat will destroy the very enzymes your muscles crave. Vegetable number 1, red cabbage. Red cabbage isn't just a colorful side dish. It's a muscle rescue powerhouse for seniors over 60 whose leg strength is slipping away. Inside those deep purple leaves lurk anthocyanins and sulfur-containing glucosinolates that directly protect and rebuild aging muscle fibers by quelling free radical damage and reigniting mitochondrial energy production, because after 60, your cellular power plants sputter out, starving tissue of oxygen and slowing repair. On top of that, red cabbage's fiber boost improves gut health, so your body can finally absorb the amino acids muscles need to recover from every step and every chair rise. A recent study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that seniors who ate just half a cup of raw red cabbage daily slashed their C-reactive protein levels by 23%, a key inflammation marker tied to frailty. Yet most elders destroy these vital compounds by overcooking. To harness its full strength, shred it raw into salads or steam for no more than 5 minutes. Then pair with a squeeze of lemon at lunch when your stomach acid is at its peak. Vegetables in one meal. Muscle strength in just 10 minutes a day. Here's how to take red cabbage, beet greens, mustard greens, Romanesco broccoli, and watercress, and turn them into one easy, delicious meal that helps seniors rebuild muscle, ease joint stiffness, and feel stronger on their feet. Start by lightly steaming a handful of Romanesco broccoli and beet greens for about 3 to 5 minutes, just enough to soften them without losing their powerful nutrients. Romanesco delivers rare plant compounds like glucosinolates and carotenoids that help shield aging muscles, while beet greens are loaded with minerals like magnesium and potassium to fight cramping and keep your energy up. While those cook, finely shred about half a cup of raw red cabbage and add it to a mixing bowl. Red cabbage is your inflammation fighter. It supports connective tissue and strengthens tiny blood vessels in your legs, helping seniors with poor circulation or swollen joints. Next, give a small bunch of mustard greens a super quick dip, just 10 to 15 seconds in hot water. This keeps their muscle-protecting flavonoids and vitamin K intact, great for calming thigh and calf cramps and restoring nerve-muscle communication. Finally, toss in a handful of fresh, uncooked watercress. Don't cook it. This delicate green supports mitochondrial energy inside your muscles, helping you walk farther and recover faster after even basic activity like housework or a short stroll. Now combine everything in a large bowl, drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to help with nutrient absorption. Add a sprinkle of sea salt and black pepper. Want to take it further? Toss in a boiled egg, a few pumpkin seeds, or even some canned salmon for added protein and texture. This single bowl delivers all 5 of the top muscle-supporting veggies, working together in harmony, different textures, temperatures, and flavors, all done in under 10 minutes. Eat it for lunch or an early dinner 2 or 3 times a week. Many seniors report lighter legs, less stiffness in the morning, and more stability after just 1 week. So, there you have it, 5 underrated vegetables that can help you stand longer, walk easier, and feel years younger. No expensive powders, no trendy fads, just real food that fuels your muscle cells, improves circulation, and quiets the inflammation that makes your legs feel tired and tight. The best part? You don't need a complete lifestyle change. Just start including these 5. Red cabbage, beet greens, mustard greens, Romanesco broccoli, and watercress into your weekly meals. If you've been feeling like your strength is slipping away faster than you can rebuild it, this is your moment. Muscle loss isn't just aging, it's often missing nutrients your body is craving. And these vegetables? They're the answer. Backed by real studies and supported by results from seniors just like you, who now walk smoother, sleep better, and feel more confident every day. Now it's your turn. Out of these 5 powerhouse vegetables: red cabbage, beet greens, mustard greens, Romanesco broccoli, and watercress, Which one are you most excited to try first? Have you already been eating one without realizing how powerful it actually is for muscle strength? We'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment down below and let us know what you're adding to your plate this week. We read every single comment, and your story might inspire someone else who's struggling with weak legs or joint pain to finally take action. And if you found this video helpful, please take 2 seconds to click the like button. It really helps more seniors see this information. Subscribe for more simple, science-backed ways to rebuild your health naturally. And if you know someone, maybe a parent, spouse, or friend who's been feeling stiff, slow, or unsure on their feet lately, send this video to them. It might just be the game changer they've been looking for. Because the truth is, feeling strong and confident again after 60 isn't a fantasy, it's a choice. And it starts with giving your body the nutrients it's been quietly begging for. Before you go, there's something else you should absolutely watch if you're serious about waking up with more energy and less pain in your legs. We made a special video all about the vitamins you should always take before bed. These aren't trendy supplements or hype. They're real, proven nutrients that help relax your muscles, soothe your joints, and recharge your body overnight. Because if you're waking up stiff, sore, or tired, no matter how much you sleep, the problem might not be your mattress. It might be what your body's missing while you rest. This bedtime vitamin guide is especially helpful for seniors because your body recovers differently after 60, and giving it the right nutrients at night can mean the difference between waking up groggy or starting your day feeling strong and ready to move. You can watch it right after this. Click the link on screen or check the pinned comment below. Trust us, it's worth it. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice and should not be used to diagnose, treat, or cure any condition. Always consult your doctor, healthcare provider, or registered dietitian before making changes to your diet, supplement routine, or exercise habits, especially if you're over 60, taking medications, or managing a health issue. All the nutritional insights and health effects discussed in this video are based on current scientific research, including peer-reviewed studies, clinical trials, and trusted academic sources. Every reference is listed in the video description below for those who want to explore the science further. Remember, your health is personal. While these vegetables and tips can support healthy muscle aging and recovery, individual results may vary. This content is not meant to replace professional medical advice. It's here to support informed decisions and encourage proactive wellness. Don't forget to watch the next video on vitamins to take before bed. And share your thoughts below. We're building a community of stronger, healthier seniors, and you're a part of it. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tip that could change your life.